Hi guys, today I want to show you what kind of possibilities you have using our DS system. So on the first step we will focus in this area here. We invite customers here to learn more about the product and to interact with the product. And how can this be done? We can use different sensor technology to combine what's happening on the screen and what's happening on the surrounding. So in this case, we are working with light sensors, with weight sensors. So if a customer comes by and picks up a product, he will get the additional information about the product on this screen. Now in our CMS we have more possibilities. We can not only control one, but even several screens. And as you can see right here, if I pick up this product, the content on here changes, and at the same time we also connect to those two screens as well as to the beamer. And this is done with our plugin. It's called ScreenSync, and this will allow you to display and create a video wall inside our CMS.